guys, this is a box opening from gigibeans, a full body silicone. This is the monkey sculpt. I am extremely excited and nervous all at the same time. Oh, look at this little sleeper for her. Oh, that's adorable. And another brush and comb. I am so excited. Oh my God, I am so excited. I think this is the head. Yes. We'll put this down for a minute. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. She feels so heavy and floppy right in my arms. Woo.
Made her day, Gigi.
Her face is not covered. Look at her. Oh my God. Her silicone is beautiful. Oh my God, look at her. Oh my God.
This is amazing.
Look, she's got veining and everything. Wow, guys, I gotta look. Oh my God. Look at this, her little belly. Babe, feel that. Squish it. Squish it.
That's awesome.
Oh my God, she's gorgeous, Gigi. Oh my goodness, look at Monkey. Hi. Oh, you are gorgeous. Oh, let's do your hair real quick. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Let's get her bedhead hair done. She's been sitting in the post office for a day now. She was there yesterday, all day. Oh my goodness, honey bunny. You are beautiful. Oh my goodness. There we go. There's your hair. We'll put a headband in you later. Dress you up and put you on. We'll go live. Oh, look at her, babe.
This is cute.
Oh, hi, honey. I'm hoping you take a passy. One didn't come with you. Oh, she's got an open mouth and a tongue. We'll undress her so everybody can see what she looks like real quick. My goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at her. Guys, this is her. Look at her. She looks so real.
That's crazy.
Oh my God. Her private parts even look real, guys. Alright, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos from me for bathing her and stuff. Thank you.